I'm just going to show you a website called learningchocolate.com. It's quite a useful website. You don't need to sign up. It's free. It's quick and easy to get into once you have access to the internet. You can have UK English. You need to change that to there. Lots of different categories, and then you've got games. It's particularly useful for keywords. So if I click here, you'll see the sort of categories that there are. You've got early years, money is another one that's useful. There's a lot of different useful kind of ones, particularly say shapes and colours, for example, for the numeracy PLU. Now you can see there's lots of different types. You've got 3D shapes, you've got colours, etc. One I've used to show that the student know their names of the shapes is the basic shapes one. You may not hear the sound on this, but possibly my microphone will pick it up, but I can hear it quite clearly and the voice is quite nice. So if I click on this, it'll say circle, rectangle, square, oval, triangle, and star. So the student can learn the keywords they want. They can fill the screen as well if they want. A couple of different activities that you find throughout the whole site. So you've got your matchup one, where down the bottom you click on something and it'll say, for example, rectangle. You take that and you pop it up here. That said oval, I match it up. Circle, match it up with circle. Star, match it up there, and each time it's repeating it, so it helps the student with their reading. Square, now I'm purposely going to do this one wrong, and I'm going to match that one up there. At the top, I can check my answers, and I've got 2 of them wrong. It gives me a score, it gives me a time, so if you want the student to get competitive, it doesn't get so boring because they get a chance to improve their score, improve their time, etc. Matchup 2 is similar. This time what you get is at the bottom you've got the words and you've got to match them up. So there's an amount of reading there involved as well, and they may or may not be able to do that. Again, at the top you get to check your answers. Matchup 3, that said triangle, so there's no reading involved in that. So there's a different star, different ways of scaffolding depending on the difficulty your students have. There's a little thing as well if you're not sure of the instructions, and that's more for the teacher. You've got a fill-in bit where they have to type it, so if you're working on their spelling, this is brilliant for spellings. Check the answers, and I didn't get it right. Oopsies. Dictation is the final one where you click on the sound and it says the word triangle and you have to click on the word triangle. I'll just click into a few other categories, say school. Common teacher expressions. Do you understand, it says. Pay attention. Lots of different things there that you can use. I'll show you one more. And time and date. The seasons of weather, that's another thing that you need to know for the numeracy PLU as well. Thanks for listening.